Fucked it up, you son of a dog, huh? Hey, welcome back. It's the old guy again. Today what we're going to do is we're going to make a cover for a stove. And this is something that you can probably open out in maybe a couple of hours. Try to keep it kind of simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to nail the sides. And I will explain why we're doing that. Just so we get these things done here. Just bear with me for a minute. I'm just going to tack these into place, maybe a couple of nails in each board for now. Okay, now I'm going to clamp these just to keep them in place. If you want to put some glue on there, you can glue it. I'm not going to glue this. I'm just going to nail them into place. Keep it simple. Make sure that everything fits just right. Clamp now because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to flip it upside down. Fucked it up. Son of a dog, huh? God damn it. Just so you know, I did make a boo-boo. We're going to correct that. What I did is I put the boards upside down. So shame on me for that. Now what we're going to do is, this is what the top looks like so far. Now, the reason we're doing this, we're going to put a about a 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch kicker on the bottom, is so that when you place this on your stove, normally the stove racks are a little bit taller, so we want to cover that. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch nails here, put in some bigger nails, so that we can nail all the way through. We're going to use 1.5. Okay, now that we've got bigger nails, we got 2-inch nails. They're going to go all the way through. They're going to catch all 3 boards. Here we go. Same thing on the other side. Flip this around. we're going to touch the back. Now we're going to put the handles on there. Now you measure the center. It's 24 inches, 12 inches here. 12 inches. The drill. And there you have it. This will fit right over your stove. Now all ranges are not the same size. This one just happens to be a 30-inch. Some are 24, some are larger. You make it to the same exact size of your stovetop. There you have it.